And good morning. Sorry, I cannot be there today. In this unit so far, we have talked about the types and characteristics of waves. You have completed those first two sections on your worksheet, and we went over those in the previous class. Also in the last class, we watched the video over traveling waves, and then you were to complete the gizmo over waves. Hopefully you have submitted that. It needs to be submitted, and also make sure you have answered the 5 assessment questions that went along with that, because that counts as 10 of your 20 points. Okay, today we are going to finish talking up about waves, and what we're going to talk about are the 3 ways that waves interact, and then we're going to talk about a phenomenon called the Doppler effect, and finally what is a standing wave. Once you have completed the PowerPoint, then you will need to answer that last section of the worksheet. We will be going over that section the last class, and then we'll be getting that submitted, or in the next class we'll be getting that submitted. Finally, after finishing that worksheet, I do want you to watch the video on over light. Okay, and once that is completed, you will be done for the day. Okay, so let's get ready and we'll move on and start your PowerPoint.